Welcome to Brooklyn. How you doing? We're here at Defonte's today. I have never been here and I've lived in Brooklyn my whole life. We're bringing Israel to the spot. Let's go eat some good food right now.
No introduction needed. It's my man Cody.
We here. We at Defonte's.
And we got Drew over here. Let's go.
Ultimate Brooklyn guys. We here. Official.
We're about to check out some sandwiches.
Sandwiches or shrimp. They got some like a special like a seafood thing today too.
All right,
so we'll check that out.
All right, so there's a lot of people here. It's kind of busy. It's a famous spot for sandwiches, and now we're trying to figure out what we're gonna have.
There's too much stuff here to choose from.
Mm-hmm.
We got there's fish, there's sandwiches. We bowls.
I'll go with whatever you guys go with, to be honest.
Go with the Brooklyn spot.
Brooklyn special, man. Let's do this. It's an authentic Brooklyn deli that was established in 1922, and they've been here ever since. So what do we get?
Half sandwiches with chicken cutlet, vodka sauce, and mozzarella cheese, right? And then we got a shrimp parmesan, little shrimp with parmesan sauce and a little extra whatever's on there. It's good though.
We're gonna do a Brooklyn style. We're eating outside, right?
We're eating outside, right on the trunk.
So what are we doing first?
This is the shrimp parmesan. Shrimp parmesan. Say it with us. Shrimp parmesan. Let's try this out. See how it goes.
It was nothing.
Oh shit.
Nice. Sauce is good.
Cheese is perfectly melted.
Like you said, the tomato sauce is good. Cheese is evenly spread, and it's vodka sauce?
Yeah, you got better dig in because I'm down with this shit.
No, it's good.
No kidding.
Yeah, I feel good, cause I feel good. Hey, I think I might take you on a shopping spree.
All right, guys, we just finished the shrimp. Now we're going on to the next one.
Chicken cutlet, mozzarella cheese, and vodka sauce.
New York size.
Give it a solid 9. Chicken's good, bread's good, sauce is good.
Oh yeah. Not a lot of ingredients, but full flavor.
Yeah.
So what's the thing about cheese? You got like cheese in New York, like you add cheese to everything almost.
Yeah.
That's how.
Yeah.
We got chopped cheese, we got Philly cheese,
Yeah.
you know, we just love cheese. Cheeseburger.
Word.
No, this is fire. A 9, solid 9. Good way to start the day off in New York City.
Time to go to the next spot.
On to the next
We're
one.
gonna go get some pizza.
Let's go.
Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot at
Gang.
I swear I shoot like Berettas.
What up, Mikey?
Yeah, they getting nervous, I seen it. What I seen, you wouldn't believe it. They say they want it, I need it. Damn.
What was the name again? L&B's?
L&B's.
L&B's. So this is the next spot we're gonna check out, and I don't know what we're gonna have yet.
We're gonna have pizza. We're gonna do a square slice, cheese on the bottom, sauce on top. That's what they're famous for. Let's go. How many slices you want?
Yeah, I'll just take one.
Can I get 3 corners if you have? The upside down slice.
The upside down slice. You see it? So me and Cody, we got the upside down slice. That's what they call it?
Yeah, upside down slice.
All right. And the bread is kind of like, it's not like Italian thin. It's big.
I already bit into it.
All right, let's go. Oh yeah, it was definitely worth the drive.
Sauce, perfect. Parmesan, perfect. Crust is good.
And the crust, bro, fire. How long have this place been here? Established in 1939. Highly recommended. I mean, I don't know how to explain, but the way like the tomato sauce is so good incorporated in the pizza. It literally just melts in your mouth.
No titty.
You gotta get that.
No Diddy.
No Diddy. And to finish it off, we're gonna have the.
Yeah, I think just these two. Yeah, those two.
What did you just get, Cody?
A Spumoni.
Holy shit. Spumoni. And this is with what?
Vanilla, chocolate, and pistachio.
Oh wow.
You know what's up.
I know that was like a trick of the trade type shit. Like.
Out of 10? Like a 8?
Like an 8. 8 out of 10.
Because I don't usually go
8
for.
out of 10 for a little icy is fine.
No, but honestly, I don't usually go for ice cream, but this one was different. All right, so we just had the pizza slice and we had the spumoni. Crazy, man. And now I think we're not done with the sugar part yet.
No.
We're going to.
More sugar.
Now we're about to head to Chocolate Factory.
In Bay Ridge, Brooklyn.
Oh yeah, we're in Bay Ridge right now, me and Cody, and we made our way to
The Akiway Chocolate Factory.
the Akaway Chocolate Factory. So we're gonna finish off this this food mini tour with a knafa, right?
Kanafa, yeah. Kanafa and a crepe.
That's the more sweet side. Can we do one classic and one Akaway, please? I promise I'll take a bite of the Akaway.
See, now she's gonna charge us extra.
So we just ordered the classic knafa.
No. We didn't do that because that's boring.
Yeah, I wasn't allowed to order a classic knafa.
So we did the Akiway special, and we did the milk kanafa.
Yeah.
So it has the milk one comes with honey, milk, crushed pistachio, coconut, and cornflakes.
It's a sugar bomb, definitely, but you know, I think I can handle it. I think I'll just have to drink a lot of water after.
Yeah. So it'll be good. Keep it hydrated. Here we got the Akiway kanafa.
Okay.
They got pistachio, lotus, and chocolate crumble. It comes with the milk on the side. You gotta pour it up. You ready for this?
Yes, sir. Wow. The presentation is 10 out of 10.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Try the milk one now.
All right, let's go for the milk.
Oh, wow.
The milk soaked in the knafa.
That's really good. That one is really fucking good. Wow. The milk definitely spices it up for sure. Makes it a lot more sweet. This is a 10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Shout out to Akiway.
Chocolate Factory. You did this. All right, guys, we're very, very full right now after a sandwich, pizza slice, shrimps with cheese and marinara sauce. We're finishing off, and the spumoni, can't forget about that. We're finishing off right now this mini tour of Brooklyn, 3 spots to eat here in Chocolate Factory. Couldn't have finished it in a better way. And honestly, I'm very full right now. What about you, Cody?
I'm super full. I can't breathe. I need help, and I need a medic.
A lot of water. Be on the lookout for this dude, man. We're gonna have him on more episodes from New York. This is just the beginning. And until next time, this is Isno, Cody, Chop Life. See ya.
I think I might give away $1 million. I think I might give away a brand new truck. Cause I feel good. Yeah, I feel good. Cause I feel good. I think I